What's going on, guys? It's your main man James, and in this video I'm gonna be teaching you how you can make money with YouTube Shorts and affiliate marketing without making videos, without having your face on camera, without even needing camera equipment or any kind of filming equipment. So this is gonna be a very comprehensive video. I'm gonna be teaching you A to Z exactly what you need to do in order to make money with affiliate marketing and YouTube Shorts. So if you're not yet familiar, YouTube Shorts are little videos that people are posting on YouTube that are supposed to be similar to TikTok videos. So these are not long videos. These are typically shorter than a minute. Sometimes they're as little as 30 seconds, even shorter than that, 20 seconds, 15 seconds, and so forth. So if you go into YouTube and you type Shorts Plus, you're going to see a lot of niches, right? So we have the travel niche, the fitness, ClickBank, Amazon, woodworking, gadgets, animals, etc., etc. These are niches, right? Because if you go into one of these search phrases, if you choose one of these search phrases, you are going to be looking at various shorts in that specific niche. So if I do, let's say, shorts travel, I'm going to see different shorts related to travel, right? Shorts luxury. This is 3 things you must do in France, 1.8 thousand views. We have more travel videos, best things to do in Iceland. I think I have the best job in the world. So these are all shorts. Same thing if I do fitness, okay? If I do fitness, same thing happens. I have a bunch of shorts. So what you guys should be looking at is, this is a short, right? This is a normal video, right? But this is a short. They're typically filmed kind of in this portrait mode. They're not in this landscape mode. Another thing you can do is you can go to filter and put under 4 minutes, because unfortunately the YouTube search, it does not display only shorts. It displays a lot of things. So if you do under 4 minutes as the filter that I have selected here, you can see the shorts, right? You can also do today, last hour, last week, etc., etc. And so right now you're looking at mostly shorts because they're typically filmed in kind of this portrait mode, and they also have this shorts tag next to them, etc., etc. So these are shorts. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to pick a niche, okay? What are you going to be doing, right? And there are 3 main niches really that you should be thinking about, at least in this method that we're talking about in today's video. The first one is making money online. So if you do something like investing or, making money or money, something like that, you're going to find some of the shorts having to do with money, right? And remember, you want to do filter, you want to do under 4 minutes just to get some of the shorts, right? So there's a short 5 days ago, it has 327,000. Here's another short, making money. The next one is fitness. So if I do shorts plus fitness and I do filter under 4 minutes, I'm going to see typically shorts that have to do with fitness. So these are going to be working out, losing weight, staying in shape, etc., etc. These are related to fitness, right? So fitness is a great niche. There's always money to be made with fitness. And last but not least, this is going to be self-improvement. And under self-improvement, I typically like to include things like relationships, dating, working on yourself, improving your confidence. So if you put dating, for instance, you're going to find some shorts having to do with dating, and these what I call is self-improvement, right? Because it's not fitness, it's not making money online. And so you have these shorts, 4.2. So dating is another great niche that you can create shorts in. And what's beautiful about it is that in all of these areas that I just talked about, there's a lot of ways to make money because they're all monetizable, okay? So let me show you some of the potential in terms of traffic that you can expect to get when you're talking about specific niche. So here's a channel I found. This is Bug Workout Sport in Russia, and I just randomly stumbled upon it. I've never heard about this channel before. And we have a lot of, 750,000, 705,000, 206,000 views, right? 168,000, 69,000. And if we go into a Social Blade, which is kind of analytics for looking at different YouTube channels, we can see that this channel has a grade A, and they're getting 8,000 subs every single day, 9 million views every single day. an average of 9 million views, an average of 8.66 thousand subs every single day. So this channel is doing fairly well. And you can see that these are the videos, and you can see these are all shorts. That's all they're doing. They're only doing shorts. And if you scroll down, it's not that much of an old channel. This channel has not been around for years and years. This is a relatively new channel, and this is a cool channel. So you can make videos such as this one without needing to go out and film things, without needing to put your face on the camera, without needing to film anything, without needing to do a lot of the work that these channels are doing, because a lot of people do not realize, but you can create videos without needing to actually film things. For a lot of people, this is brand new. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using a tool called Canva, and I'm going to show you how you can make really good videos for free without paying for this tool and without needing to film yourself or anybody else. So I'm going to log in into my account. This is a free account I'm using, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. All right, so I just logged into my account. We're also looking at some of the designs that I used to do before, some of the things, and I do use this software. I do use this site for some of the work that I'm doing for my other YouTube channels, as well as some of the other projects. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click on Create a Design, and you want to type Shorts. Once you do that, you have an option here, YouTube Shorts. It's going to be 1080 by 1920, and what that means is that 1080 is the width, 1920 is the height. So as you can see, this is portrait mode because the width is less than the height. It's shorter than it's taller. It's kind of like, like a phone. When you're holding a phone, the way you normally hold it, that's a portrait mode. When you flip it over into this horizontal mode, that's called the landscape mode. So if you click this right here, we can actually go ahead and start making content. So right now, what you're seeing right now is a way of making videos, right? Because with Canva, you can make pictures, you can create content, you can create logos and banners and all these things, but you can also make videos. Below me, what you're looking at is different frames. Now, there's a couple of ways of doing it. You can drag and drop a video, and right now you have a 3-second video here, okay? So if you play it, it's gonna run for 3 seconds, okay? So you can use this content. This is available for you. You can use it. You don't need copyright or anything like that. It's available for you. But there's another way of doing it. If you want to create like a video from scratch, what you want to do is you want to delete everything, right? What we're going to do is we're going to delete everything, and we're going to create frames. So let's say we want to create a video 15 seconds long. And we typically, let's say we want to create each frame of 5 seconds. That means we need 3 frames that are going to last for 5 seconds each. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create 3 frames. In fact, let's go ahead and create 4 frames of 5 seconds each. They're automatically 5 seconds. So if I click on the frame, I can adjust the number of seconds. So I can even adjust it for all pages. So let's say I want to create 3 seconds. Now they're all 3 seconds. You see how it made them shorter? And this means that the entire video is going to be 12 seconds. But let's say I want each of the frames to be 5 seconds. That means it's going to be 20 seconds because 5 times 4 is 20. And so that is what we're going to be going with. And here, you don't even need videos. You can go ahead and you can go into photos. You can drag and drop a photo. So for instance, I have this, let's say I have this couple holding hands here. I can just drag it and I can right click it and I can say set images backgrounds, automatically going to expand it. So right now I have a frame, a still frame that's going to play for X amount of seconds. So for 5 seconds, and then it's going to go to the next frame. And so let's say the next frame, I want maybe having to do with fitness. So I'm going to go in here, I'm going to type fitness. And here's what I have. So I can drag and drop, let's say I want to filter it, and I want a vertical, right? I want the vertical because we're creating content that's going to be in portrait mode. So I can drag and drop this guy right here, and I can right click and say set images background automatically. So now if I play it, if I go back to the first one, if I play it here, it's going to last and then it's going to go in here. So I'm going to do that for the other 2 frames. I'm going to drag and drop this. So if I drag it, it's going to automatically, if I drag it in a certain way, and you will see that it automatically sets it as a background. So I'm going to do one more frame. This guy, I'm going to go to this frame and I'm going to drag it right near the border, right? So I can drag it here, but if I drag it like this, it's going to expand it. Now I have 4 frames, 5 seconds each, for a total of 20 seconds, which is perfect to have a short. So, I can maybe replace it. So I want this guy here. I can just drag it. Now I have a purely kind of fitness themed frames. I have 4 frames having to do with fitness. It's not a video yet, but it's almost a video. What I can do next is I can go to elements, and I can go to text, in fact, and I can drag and drop some pieces of text. So I can drag it here, okay, or drag it, in fact, here, and it automatically aligns it. And I can say workout, something like this, workout now, whatever you want to do. And next, I can go to the next frame, and I can drag and drop this here. I can drag and drop. And I can drag and drop this here, and I can say, anything like now, whatever. And then for this one, I can do the same thing. I can drag and drop it here. And, I can change it to whatever text you decide. And here's another one. And I can drag this here as well. And now I have 4 pieces of text. Now, we're not done yet. What we can do is we can create some kind of an animation. Okay, so for instance, I have a block, and I can animate it, right? It's going to create. So this is actually kind of cool, this block. I can do that. I can come here, and I can animate this one. I can animate here. I can do that. Here's a photo zoom. I can do that here. And it zooms it in. And for this one, I can do something like a photo rise. Something like this. I can also create transitions. By clicking on this plus, I can say, add a transition. And let's say I want dissolve, or I want slide. And I can add a new transition, circle wipe. And last but not least, we have another transition, add a transition. We have line swipe, something like this. Okay? Now, if I play it, you're going to see the animations kind of coming to the effect, right? You see how it's animating inside the frame, as well as we have transitions. And that's how you create, a video that looks really cool with cool animations, without needing, expensive softwares or, spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars in software and stuff like that. And when you're done, you can just click download MP4 video. That's what you want. And you can hit download. Now, there's other places where you can get images if you want. If you head over to pexels.com, this is a site I use all the time. You can find content here, and you can find content here that it does exactly what you want. So for instance, I can Google for fitness. Okay, let's say I want fitness, and I can go into orientation, and I can say vertical. And I can use this content inside the app that I'm doing. So this guy right here with the dumbbells, I can click on this. That's going to download it onto my hard drive, and I can drag and drop it back here. So let me show you how it works. I can just click it here. There we go. Now I'll download it, and I can go back here, and I can drag and drop it from my computer onto the screen. And so there you go. Now I just dragged and drag, and I can right click and say replace background. So now we have a new image fully set perfectly as the background, and it retains the same animation, same transitions, everything like that. And you can add new pages, you can add new frames, you can make them shorter. So let's say I don't want 5 seconds. I want 3 seconds. I'm going to apply it to all pages, and now we have a 10-second kind of flow here. Okay, now we have something like this. And that's how it works here. So it really depends. 10 seconds is nice too. 15 seconds is great. I would recommend making them under 30 seconds. Now, once you create this, guys, what you want to do is you want to hit download. You're going to hit download. I'm not going to do that because that's kind of self-explanatory. You have other options, but you want MP4 video. That is exactly what you want. Once you're done creating this, you're going to create a YouTube account. You can simply go in here and say create YouTube account, YouTube channel, and you're going to read this right here from Google themselves, who own YouTube, and you can actually read the content here. Create a personal channel. That's what you're going to do, and you're going to upload your content, okay? Now, once you upload your content, you need to have a description. You're going to have kind of a form there that's going to have all these fields and stuff like that, and you need to create a description. Now, for the description, you're going to head over to ClickBank. You're going to sign up for a free account. This is 100% free. And once you're signed up, this is what you're going to be seeing. You're going to be in the marketplace. And here you can pick the offers that you want to promote. And so we're doing health and fitness. So naturally, you're going to go into health and fitness. you want to sort them by gravity, high to low, and you want to pick an offer that you want to promote. So for instance, we have the smoothie diet, 21-day rapid weight loss program. This is a great offer I talked about in some of the other videos. You're going to hit promote. You're going to say generate hop links, and now you have a link. And this is a link you're going to paste in your description for the video that you just created and uploaded to YouTube. And so you're going to say something like, do you want to lose weight? Do you want to feel better? Do you want to, become healthier, be healthier, stay healthier, etc., etc.? Then click on this link and you're going to be redirected to the smoothie diet. Now, this is what it looks like. This is their landing page, the smoothie diet, delicious, easy to make smoothies for rapid weight loss, increased energy, and stuff like that. This is what the user is going to see. And you're going to be making money, a commission. You're going to be making a commission. You're going to have a cut every time they buy something. So it says $37, but they also have other products that it's going to go through. So it's not just $37. They're going to offer different products to the user, and you're going to be getting a cut every time somebody buys, regardless of the product. So it's going to be like 50 to 75%, depending on the conditions, the terms and conditions, and depending on the actual product. So maybe it's going to be 50% once. In one product, maybe it's going to be 75%. In another product, you're going to read all of this here, right? So it says the smoothie diet. You're going to read all of this on their site. You just have to go to this affiliate page, and you're going to learn the terms and conditions. So it says here, promote the smoothie diet and earn 75% commission on every sale generated from your affiliate link, including upsell. So there you go, 75 commissions on all products. So I said 50 to 75%. We're actually doing a lot better than that. We're going to be doing 75%. So you guys can go out and you can promote it. You can promote other products as well. It does not need to be the smoothie diet. I'm not affiliated with this product. I just showed you a product that I think is going to be converting well, and I know some people that are making decent money with this product. You can choose any product that you want. You can also choose any niche that you want, but I highly recommend one of the three niches: make money online, fitness and health, or self-improvement, which is actually the self-help area. You can go in there. There's a lot of dating products. There's a lot of relationship products that convert really, really well. And that's how you do it. And now you don't want to stop once you make your first video. You want to create videos on a regular schedule. Like for instance, if we go into this channel here, Fitness World, they're making videos all the time. And if we go to this bug workout sport, they're making videos every single day. You don't need to make every single day, but I would recommend picking a schedule and sticking to it. Maybe it's going to be twice a week. Maybe it's going to be once a week. Maybe it's going to be every 2 weeks, once a month. But you have to kind of pick a schedule, because it's not enough to create one video. You have to create multiple content, and you have to do it consistently. That is really the key. Consistently is really the key word here, because that's gonna guarantee that you're gonna be successful with it if you are consistent about it. So that is how you create this stuff. That is how you do it. I really hope you've gotten value here. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or concerns. Let me know if I can help out in any way. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and I'll talk to you real soon.